Hello children, it is grade 4, block 5. Topic is types of roots. Open your readers, page number 36, right? So here in page number 36, you can see two kinds of roots over here. So before that, I am going to show you live. Right here, can you see this root, children? See here, can you see this root? Yes. This is one root and this is another root. Observe these two roots. Now here, first we will see here how do the roots look. Can you see how do the roots look? And at the same time, have you observed these roots and how do the roots look? Now here, one plant has here you can see the root. Did you observe the root here? Yes, one plant has a big root and the smaller roots coming out of it. Can you see here? A big root and the smaller roots are coming out of it. This kind of root is called a taproot. This root is called a taproot. So in a taproot, the main root is called a taproot or primary root. And the side you can see a small roots are coming out. These are called a secondary roots. Right? Now, just you see this plant. This plant has fibrous roots. Okay, so other plant roots are coming, see here, coming together like a cluster. These roots are called fibrous roots. So this bunch of roots or cluster of roots are called what is this one? Fibrous roots. Now here, why do plants have different kinds of roots? How do these different roots help the plant? Which type of plants will have a taproot and which one will have a fibrous roots? Here the question goes, taproot. Just when you see this root, taproot, this can go deep into the soil to absorb water and fix the plant firmly in the soil. Can you see, children, here? See this taproot. This go deep into the soil and fix the plant firmly in the soil. Example, mango, tulsi, neem, these all taproots, right? Why tall roots, tall trees, bushes, shrubs, all these types of roots, because they need a strong support to stand, right? In some plants, the taproot store food that we eat, like carrot. Got it? Okay. Now you have learned about the taproot and the fibrous root. Now one more thing I'll ask you here. How can we know whether the plant has fibrous root or taproot without uprooting? Now these both plants, when you observe, now these two I uprooted. By uprooting, you have come to know whether it is a taproot or a fibrous root. Without uprooting, how you will come to know it is a fibrous root or a taproot? See, when we can look at the veins on the leaf to know whether the plant has a taproot or fibrous root. Right, children? So if the veins look like a net on the leaf, we have to observe the leaf. So if the veins look like a net on the leaf of the plant, then the plant will be a taproot. Similarly, if the veins do not cross each other or are parallel to each other, the plant has a fibrous root. Got it, children? Open your workbooks now. In this workbook, just you see here, first one, what do you have? Draw the taproot, label the primary root and the secondary root. So here when you see in the reader also here, this is the primary root and this short roots coming out is called a secondary roots. So this diagram you have to draw in the workbook. Got it for you? Next one. Identify the type of root shown in the picture. Give reasons for your answer. So here when you see this, which type of root is this? Can you see here? Observe the picture. Which type of root is this here? In here also. Which type of root is this? It's a fibrous roots. Why? Because it has a bunch of or cluster of roots. Now, third one. Coconut tree grows in sandy soil. Which type of roots does a coconut tree have and why? So, coconut tree, just now I told you, watch the video. You have to see the leaves and you have to identify the roots of the plant. So the coconut tree has a fibrous roots because its leaves are parallel to each other. Got it, children? Now open your question answers. Turn to page number 38. Go to question number 6. Name 2 plants each with fibrous roots and tap roots. Right? What part of the plant makes food in cactus? Why? Cactus also. Cactus, coming to the cactus, have leaves reduced to spines already I told you. So therefore photosynthesis takes place through the stem. The stem are green by the presence of chlorophyll to make the food for the plant. Right? Now 8th one. How is a modification in a carrot plant different from a modification in a potato plant? So here modification of carrot plant and modification of a potato plant. How it will be different? So how it will be different? In carrot, food is stored in the roots. In the carrot plant, the food is stored in the root. Hence, it is a root modification. Right? In potato plant, food is stored in the stem. So, hence it is called a stem modification. Got it, children? Please listen to the video again and again. Write the answers correctly and neatly in the classwork book and in the reader. Please read the reader. And at the same time, I want to remind you one thing. See these 2 diagrams. Please draw these 2 diagrams with the pencil and color it and label it neatly in your classwork book on the left side of the plain page. Thank you.